Hi guys, in this video, we're learning how to set up Touch ID on your brand new M3 MacBook Air. Now, Touch ID obviously adds a layer of security to your MacBook, and this is how to set it up. After turning on your MacBook Air, you want to go to the System Set, and in the System Settings window, click on Touch ID and Password. And of course, there's a summary of everything Touch ID can do, like unlocking your mark using Apple Pay, iTunes password autofills. If it's your first time, you won't see any previously registered fingerprints. Click on this plus icon to add fingerprint. Now enter your password MacBook. And of course, you now place your finger on the Touch ID button or the Touch ID sensor. It's the button on the top right corner of your keypad. So you want to touch that, take your finger off Touch again, take your finger off Touch again, and you want to touch as many times as possible. And then you can go ahead and now try and capture the edges of your finger until it says Touch ID is now ready. Then click on Done, and you can see it's registered as finger 1. Now you can go ahead and set up as many fingers as you want, and also different fingers for different user accounts in case you're sharing your MacBook. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips until the next one.